Hey beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I go by Anna. This channel is about love, positivity, beauty, and real life. And if you're down with that, stick around and subscribe. So you guys, I am going to get a little bit emotional in this intro I'm about to show you, but I think it's important for me to include this because I am emotional about this palette. So I am wearing the Conspiracy palette by Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star in this video, and this is the look that I created. So if you want to see how I created this look, then continue watching and I will see you guys at the end. So you guys, in today's video, I am super excited. And I'm also kind of sad, and I'll tell you why. So, you've already read the title of this video. Ooh, we're going to take these guys right now. We're going to open up this box that I got. I literally just got this box yesterday, and today is November 10th. So, on November 9th, Saturday, I got this box. I can't believe how fast this came. I really thought this was gonna be like, you know, one of those deals where it comes like 2 weeks later because of how many people ordered this palette. So I am going to do a tutorial of this palette, something you know, quick and simple, easy, but I really want to have fun with this. So I'm just going to get myself ready. I have not been using primer lately. And yeah, that's a whole nother video, but I have no primer on. The only thing that I use is the Neutrogena oil-free moisture for sensitive skin. So yeah, that's that, guys. Let's open up this box. So here is the box in all of its glory. It is pink. Obviously I crossed out my address and everything, but this is how the box came. I have not opened it yet at all, so I'm gonna open that really quick for you guys. Here we go. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Look at the wrapping paper. That's so incredibly cute. Let's see. This is what it looks like when it is in the wrapping paper. I just want to say that they do an incredible job with the setting up of the palette, like, you know, the wrapping paper, the pink box, and they make sure that there is pink bubble wrap wrapped around the palette, and I am about to freak out because I have this in my hands and I just can't believe it, you guys. Oh my god, oh my god. So here's the palette, and like I was saying before, I feel bad because I know that a lot of people were not able to get the palette. It's not going anywhere. It is permanent on Jeffree Star Cosmetics website. So there's that. So for people that didn't get it, I feel horrible for them. And I'm having a moment right now because I just feel really lucky to have this. So I'm going to stop having my moment and we're going to get right into this palette. So let me take off like part of the YOUNOW carton here. By the way, I'm keeping this intact for the rest of my life. And here is the palette. Oh my god, you guys. I don't know why like I'm so emotional right now. I think it's just because I love Shane Dawson and I love Jeffree Star, and I've been watching Jeffree Star since the MySpace days, and I know everybody says that, but I really have. So to see them create something together and knowing like their friendship and how deep that is, this just is incredible to have in my hands. Like, this means something to Shane, and it means something to Jeffree, and it means something to me, that's for sure. So the logo, Shane Dawson, is popping out. There's a little star there for Jeffree. And obviously you can tell this packaging is just totally Jeffree. I have never had the chance to get a Jeffree Star palette, and that's also another reason that I'm so emotional. So I'm going to open this up, and wow, the mirror. I don't want to blind you guys, but yeah, so there's the palette. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't even, woo! I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use the mirror while I'm doing this look. So I have no idea what look I'm going to be doing, but let me put this down for a second. We're gonna dive right into this. I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do because I have never seen this palette in real life yet, and oh my gosh, I guess I am just going to use the colors that speak to me, even though I think that saying is kind of silly because pigments don't speak, but I get what people are saying, like this color is calling my name, you know, I get that, but I just think that's funny. This color is speaking to me. It's like,
I don't think it can, but okay.
So I'm gonna just prime my eyes really quick and I'll be right back. I'm gonna use the ColourPop No Filter concealer, and this is in the shade Fair 06, so I'll be right back. You don't need to see this boring part. Okay, so we are back, and I look a little crazy right now, of course, because this base is really light. And I left it tacky so that the colors stick. I'm going to take my Morphe M535 brush, and I am going to dip it into PIG-MENT, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to use this as a transition shade. I'm literally going so gentle. I am really barely touching my eyelid with the brush, and it is definitely pigmented. So I'm just gonna go in one more time, and I'm just gonna go up a little bit higher to about there. Just moving the brush back and forth. So in the crease and above the crease. I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics number 7 brush, and I'm going to dip that into Not a Fact, which is this dark burgundy color. And I'm gonna put that in my crease. Just back and forth to deepen that color. I really like these two together, actually. This is really cute. Make sure you guys can see. Alright, I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics number 6 brush, one of my favorite brushes in the whole world. And I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit. Very gently, like barely touching the lid. I think I'm gonna darken it up just a little bit more by adding a little bit of the black shade My Rides here. That black right there. And I'm barely gonna tap my brush into this because these colors are really pigmented. Woo! And right in the crease where I laid down not a fact. I'm just darkening this up a little bit more. And then I'm going to take my Morphe M518 brush, and I am just going to gently go over the top here. Just kind of blend the top a little bit. And I think you guys know what's coming next. And now I am going to
cut this damn crease.
So I'm just gonna take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer on a little tiny brush here, and we're gonna cut the crease. Do I want to do a? We'll see. I'm just sculpting this out right now. And at the end, I'm just gonna kind of bring this out like a wing. Like that. I'm gonna take my Morphe M433. I'm gonna dip into My Pills, which is this shade right here. It's like a light pinkish shade. We'll see how it looks on the cut crease. I'm just gonna stamp that all over where I put the concealer. I am going to take the shade Just a Theory. Let's go with that, Just a Theory, which is this one right here. It's this shimmery shade. And I am going to, I was gonna apply it with my finger, but let's see how it does on a brush on its own. You know what, let me use my finger, why not? All right. So Just a Theory all over the lid. Oh my gosh, you guys. So freaking cute. Okay. So let's hit the brow bone with Ranch. Oh my goodness, you guys. These colors are sickening. Okay, so this is what we've got going on so far. I am going to put on my foundation and my concealer and all of that and do the other eye, and I will be right back so that we can finish the lower lash line and put some lashes on for sure. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, we are back, and I am just going to wipe my bake off, and I'm not gonna lie, these lashes absolutely hate me. And I just want to say that sometimes quality over quantity. I mean, these are Kiss lashes and these are Midnight and they're absolutely gorgeous, but I always have an issue with them, and it's the freaking band. So if you guys are having problems with lashes and you know how to apply lashes, it's the band. It's not you. So don't feel bad. Everything that I have on my face that I applied off camera, I will put in the description box down below. So yeah, let's get into the lower lashes. I'm actually going to use this LA Girl Intense Stay Auto Liner, and it is in like a peachy color, so it's not white, so it's not like going to make your eyes stand out like crazy, but it's just for that like a little bit of added dimension.
I am going to take my BH Cosmetics number 9 brush, it looks like this, and I think I'm going to take the shade PIG-MENT, which is the very first shade that we used. I'm just going to dip my brush
in there, and I'm just gonna put it kind of lining up with what we got going on here. This is such a beautiful color, like I can't get over it. So yeah, this is really cute. And then I think I'm gonna stamp on with my BH Cosmetics number 11 brush. I think I'm gonna stamp on Not a Fact, which is this guy right here. So we just used PIG-MENT again, and I'm gonna use Not a Fact. Just on the outer corner. Beautiful. Okay. And then I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics number 8 brush, and I am just going to, again, smoke that out. Just kind of blend that all in together so it's cohesive. And then in the inner corner of my eyes, I'm actually going to take my BH Cosmetics number 10 brush, which I actually use as a smudge brush. But I'm going to take that, and I'm going to take the color Ranch, which is the brightest in the bunch besides Diet Cola. And I'm just going to dip my brush into that, and I'm going to put that in the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, so I am going to put a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes, and then I'm going to put a lip on, and we will be finished, you guys. Because I didn't get to get the Shane Glossin lip gloss, so we're gonna do something else. But I actually really like this stuff, so I recommend it. It actually is lip plumping, so keep that in mind if you don't like lip plumping stuff. I don't, but I really, really like this stuff. So I'm actually gonna use the Wonder Kiss, it is KF Beauty UK, Wonder Kiss Gloss Lip Liner in the shade Nude. Oh, that is nude AF. I just kind of filled my lips in a little bit with this. I'm going to take the Wonder Kiss Gloss in the color Clear, and I'm just going to slap that on and we'll be all done. All right, you guys. So this is it. This is the final look, and I'm gonna turn the light down just a little bit. So, and I really like this look. I really enjoy it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then like this video, and if you like my content, then subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.